Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an exciting topic to dive into: social media marketing. In this digital age where screens are virtually everywhere, it's become crucial to connect with your audience through these platforms. And that's where social media marketing steps in. It's not just about posting content, but about creating meaningful interactions and driving engagement. So whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, we've got some invaluable tools and tips that will help you elevate your social media game. Stay tuned. First up, let's talk about the essential tools for social media marketing. Picture this: you're crafting a captivating post for your audience, but you're not a design pro. Enter Canva, a user-friendly design platform that turns your ideas into eye-catching graphics. But what about scheduling these masterpieces? That's where Buffer comes to the rescue. This powerful tool allows you to plan and schedule posts across multiple platforms, saving you time and ensuring your content stays consistent. Now let's not forget about understanding your audience, a crucial part of the equation. Google Analytics is the tool for this job, helping you track your website's performance and gain valuable insights about your audience. Together, these tools form a powerful trio, enabling you to create engaging content, efficiently manage your posts, and truly comprehend your audience's needs and behaviors. These tools will help you create engaging content, schedule posts, and track your website's performance. Now let's move on to some valuable tips that will make your social media marketing efforts more successful. One of the most critical steps is defining your audience. Who are they? What do they like? Tailor your content to their interests and needs to create a stronger connection. Consistency is another vital factor. Create a posting schedule and stick to it. Your audience will come to expect your content at specific times, keeping them engaged and coming back for more. But remember, engagement is a two-way street. Reply to comments, answer questions, and create a sense of community around your brand. Use hashtags wisely. They can expand your reach, but only if used strategically. Research popular and relevant hashtags to reach a broader audience. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of A/B testing. Experiment with different types of content and posting times to see what resonates best with your audience. Remember, it's all about understanding your audience, staying consistent, and measuring your success. Lastly, let's talk about measuring your success. Keeping an eye on metrics such as engagement, reach, and conversion rates is crucial. These numbers serve as a compass, guiding your strategy towards what truly resonates with your audience. But remember, social media is a dynamic landscape. What worked yesterday may not work tomorrow. That's why adaptability and evolution are key. Social media is ever-changing. Be ready to adapt your strategy based on what's working and what's not. And there you have it, essential tools and tips for mastering social media marketing.